So these are the must-have lost wax tools that you'll need in your studio. A set of scales. So we use these great little scales for measuring the weight of our wax pieces before we send them off to be cast. You'll need a ring sizing mandrel or reamer to create the hole in the inside of the wax tube that you'll be working with. So these are wax tubes made by Matte Wax. You can also get tubes made by Freeman and Ferris. It's all the same company. And these tubes come in different colours depending on how hard they are. This is an A3 size tube. And one of these tubes will make quite a few rings. You can see by the thickness of it that you could get quite a lot out of both of these. These are dividers, so we use these for measuring the width of the ring that we're going to make, and then we'll actually scratch a line around it so we can see where we're actually going to saw. So this is what we use those for. This is a double-ended wax file with a rougher end and a smoother end, and we use this for doing the bulk of the filing on our wax pieces. This is a German jeweler's saw. This saw is great because we can use this with a spiral saw blade for sawing our wax tubes, and also we can pop a normal saw blade in this for sawing the sprue off our piece of silver or gold or platinum, whatever you've chosen to get your piece cast in, once we get it back from the casters. So this is a really essential little piece. You'll also need a set of spiral saw blades for cutting the wax. So this is a wax pen. We use this for joining bits of wax together, and it creates a really nice, clean, smooth join. These are wax carving tools. So these tools can be heated up in an alcohol lamp or under a candle, and obviously hot tools will melt the wax and they can help you to create different patterns. They come in a set of 5 and also in a set of 12. These are emery sticks, and emery sticks are wet and dry sandpaper whacked around a stick, and we use these for sanding not only the wax to make it nice and smooth and remove those file marks, but we also use them when we get the piece back in the metal to help remove the cast surface from the piece and to polish them up. These 3M polishing cloths are the final step that we use when we're working not only with the wax but also with the metal. So we use this to polish the wax up to a nice shine before we send it off, and we also use them when we get them back in the metal to create a really nice shiny surface.